Hey everybody, it's Kenny Conklin from HobbyLinkInternational.com and welcome to another YouTube video. So I've seen a whole bunch of videos starting to roll around about Ukraine and what's going on over there. We're not making a Ukraine video because everybody else is. We just want to let you know what's going on at HLI. I just had the feeling that it's going to start rolling and people are just going to make Ukraine videos to either fit in or feel a little peer pressure from others. And that's not us. HLI, we actually have friends and colleagues and business partners over in Ukraine and Poland, and our friends in Poland are starting to get a little worried about what's going on over there. But I'm going to read you an email from our friend Harris over at Armory in the Ukraine. And he goes to say, "Dear business friends, it became irrelevant what day of the week here for us in Ukraine. All we know and live by is that it's for us today is the fourth day of our fight for our own country and keeping up our united front for the rest of the free world. We are endlessly grateful to all of you for all of your kind letters and support and highly appreciate your offers of help to provide a shelter, temporary asylum to our families. We have received many questions regarding how you can help Ukraine. Currently, we need protection, equipment such as body armor, helmets, and webbing to staff our territorial defense volunteers. Also, the money to buy military and first aid supplies for our boys and girls, men and women at the front line." And then he goes, there's a few ways of doing this. Just buy different Ukrainian products, not only model kits. About 15 to 18% of the price you pay will be transferred to our armed forces. We're offering you to contact directly, and then he goes into two links that he gave us that you can donate money to. We tried those links and unfortunately they're not working. I don't know if there were cyber attacks or something, they were taken down. Otherwise I'd give you the links. If we do get any more links that we can directly fund or give money to, I will get those links to you. And he ends his letter by saying, "Thank you in advance for your support. God with us, together to victory, glory to Ukraine." So Paul is in constant contact with our friends over there in Poland, Ukraine, making sure that they're all right and if there's anything we can do. So like I said, if we can get any more information or links that can help us out, we'll let you know, because like I said, we hear from the guys over there in the Ukraine. It's not just us jumping on YouTube to say we support Ukraine. We're trying to help them out by bringing the information to you that we're getting directly from the Ukraine. Actually, I should just say Ukraine because it's not the Ukraine, it's just Ukraine. And that's it from us. We'll see you all soon. Take care. And bye-bye.